day in a life in Waikiki. You know, we're just here in the waters. Yeah, the water is good. It's the waves nice, you know. In fact, we're gonna go surfing mamaya eh. Oh, really? Yeah. Okay, join us, huh? Okay. This is Baywatch, Waikiki edition. Yeah. Honka honka. There you see her, sitting there along the beach. There are not to say, but there's something about her. But you don't know why, but you're trying to try, you wanna clean the bitches. Tonyo! Sasama na ako sa'yo sa paradise, Tonyo. Ba't mo ako iniwan, Tonyo? Tonyo! Antonio! Sasama na ako. Huwag niyo ako awatin. Huwag niyo ako aawatin. Hayaan niyo ako dito. Hayaan niyo ako. Hayaan niyo ako. Kaya, ayaw ko na. Tonyo, soon we'll see you in paradise. Tonyo, nasa paradise na ako. Nasaan ka dito? Tonyo! Uy, Tonyo. Shh. Bilisan mo, Tonyo, mainit. Tonyo. Sailing. Ay, yun pala si Tonyo. Hindi pala si Tonyo. Kamukha lang ni Tonyo. Excuse me, are you Tonyo? No, I'm not. This is my girl next to me. What you doing? You must be Tonyo. I am not Tonyo. Tonyo! Huwag niyo ako sasagipin, ha? Ayan niyo ako. Lamig pala. At ang babaw. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay, oh, I can't zoom it from here. Baywatch! Baywatch! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Excuse me. What's your secret? Excuse me. I remember back in the day I used to have that bod, but now it's okay. Where is the Tai Chi here? Where is the Tai Chi session here? Where is the Tai Chi session? Okay, gotta do some cardio. Gonna get my game on tonight. Got a game tonight. Yeah, gotta get my game on. Gotta do cardio. Hello. Saan ka na? Where na you? Dito na me. Dito na me sa may beach, oh. Dito na tayo magkita. Dum di 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 dum. Okay na, okay na.
Tawag ka ng mama.
Nakaihi na ako.
Tawag ka ng mama.
Saan?
Balik mo daw yung goggles ng anak mo.